You can see the poison guy's yard from here.
Look how ugly that is. I can't resist, since I listened to this guy and his leaf blowers and other stuff all day yesterday. Look how the city disrupted all the ground cover, all the natural leaf cover, hauling a tree out that should be present. Okay, so you got all the telltale signs of your typical obedient Homo sapien robot replacing natural ground cover with tan bark. You got a completely functionless grass lawn. You've got the herbicide poisoning on the left. You got the bare soil from the immediate impact of repeated poison application over the years. You have a natural water channel right at the bottom of where all this poison application goes. And the yard itself is a circular and oval bunch of grass surrounded by tan bark with intermittent non-native plants planted, and of course concrete and a chlorinated swimming pool. So while he will happily slave away at his artificial habitat in there, he simultaneously is happy to murder the natural habitat. Oh, and next door, what do we have? Turf and chlorinated water.